Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create Instagram 3D pop-out effect using Canva app. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Let's get started. Add a new page first. Now let's add an image. Remove the background of the image. If you have a Canva Pro account, you can easily remove the background in Canva. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, use remove.bg website to remove image background. Now search for the Instagram frame in the search box and add any frame of your choice. Adjust image. Copy-paste the image, adjust the image, and crop the image as per your design. That's it, and Instagram 3D pop-out effect is done. Hope you like this video. Let us know more topics in the description box below.